Tteokbokki.
안녕하세요. 어서 오세요.
Almost.
One bite.
One bite. Never come.
Oh. As Korean culture finds passionate fans across India, Korean food is no longer just a niche. From college students to families, the Indian palate is ready to deep dive into Korean cuisine. That's why today we are here at Shimter Restaurant, a hidden gem in the heart of Noida that brings South Korea's culinary soul to your plate. Come with me. So I'm with the owner of Shimter Restaurant. Siltangnim, tell us a little bit about your restaurant. How long has it been?
And about 10 years.
10 years?
Yes.
Oh, wow. In Noida?
Yeah, Noida. Great Noida.
I see this vegetables which are only found in Korea. I'm really surprised to see them here in this restaurant. Siltangnim, where do you get this vegetable?
Farm.
Farm?
Yeah.
Where, in India?
I have farm too in near 3 kilometers.
So this is the famous
깻잎.
perilla leaves for wrapping. Koreans use lettuce also. This one might look similar to coriander, but this is not coriander. They call this minari. Minari. This is water celery.
India has Ayurvedic. In Korea also have the kind of for treatment, natural herb, minari for the diabetes.
So please show me how do you eat the
Okay.
sam.
Any vegetable lettuce and for 깻잎.
깻잎,
Yeah. It
perilla
is
leaf.
culinary rice little, bean paste, bokkum. And then
One time test.
almost
One bite.
one bite, never come.
Oh.
Enjoy the harmony of the all of the tasty in the one pocket. You can get it.
The leaf is a little bitter.
Little bitter and for stronger than another herb. But if you have a need for some moisture, then tell me so you try.
Doenjang.
Doenjang Jjigae. You try this?
Doenjang Jjigae, I think it's supposed to be a little salty, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And especially in the doenjang, if you foreigner eating like this in a separate, but in Korean, we eat like this. That's lovely. All right. Yeah.
I am missing home. It feels like my mom is feeding me right
Yeah.
now. Can you explain the panchan?
This is keranjim.
Keranjim, egg.
Egg and some vegetable only. And water boil. Broccoli boil with chili sauce. Radish salad.
Oyu kimchi.
Yes, exactly. Lettuce root just made by soya sauce. We call pajang. Like a pancake, this is for maida flavor and for so many kind of the vegetable with mixed little egg. Tteokbokki. Rice cake, fishy cake, boiled egg and some vegetable boiled with chili paste with many seasoning.
Guys, this is called mul kimchi. Summer special kimchi. It's a bit sour, yet when it goes inside my body, will cool. I can feel the cooling effect inside my stomach. Guys, I'm living my K-drama life right now. I'm sitting with a Korean, having all this authentic Korean food. I mean, it's like a dream came true. Tteokbokki, the rice cake. Very chewy. So the sauce is sweet and a little bit spicy. Next, I'm trying this Bokkum, spicy fried veggies with meat. So this has a lot of variations. This one is the seafood version. The outer cover is quite crispy, soft and chewy inside. So I've been to South Korea and I've also been to a lot of Korean restaurants in Delhi. And so far, I think Shimto Restaurant provides an authentic Korean taste. क्या होता है ना, कई बार इंग्रेडिएंट्स स्कार्सिटी की वजह से या इंडियन टेस्ट बड्स को कैटर करने के लिए डिशेस को ना थोड़ा बहुत उसमें चेंजेस होता है, बट आई फील लाइक यहाँ पे जो है वो बहुत ऑथेंटिक टेस्ट दे रहे हैं. Plus the owner himself has planted Korean herbs and veggies which are not available in India, so that he can provide an authentic taste to his Indian customers. So if you love Korean food, if you're exploring authentic Korean dishes, I think you should definitely come to Shimto and try their Korean dishes. And if you found this video helpful, do like, share it with your friends and subscribe to Times Foodie. See you in the next one.